Today, we're diving into something exciting. What older men do that younger women find incredibly hot. Ever wonder why some traits just seem to have that wow factor? We're going to unravel those irresistible qualities and actions that catch the eye. And don't miss out on our bonus tip at the end. It's a little secret that will change your dating life. Ready to discover what makes these men stand out? Well, let's jump right in. 1. Adventurous spirit. So what's one thing about older men that younger women find super attractive? You guessed it, their adventurous spirit. It's not about being reckless or acting like a teenager. It's about that cool, seasoned sense of adventure that comes with life experience. Older men often have this natural confidence to try new things. It could be as simple as exploring a new cuisine, or as grand as planning a spontaneous road trip. This willingness to step out of the comfort zone is exciting. It shows they're not just stuck in their ways, but are open to new experiences. They're saying, I've been around, but I'm not done exploring yet. And that's pretty hot. Another aspect is their enthusiasm. When older men talk about their adventures or plans, there's this genuine excitement that's infectious. It's not just about the stories they tell, it's about how they tell them. Their eyes light up, their energy changes. It's captivating. It shows they're passionate about life. And who doesn't find passion attractive? 2. The art of conversation. Now, here's something that really sets older men apart in younger women's eyes: their knack for engaging meaningful conversation. It's not just about chatting, it's about how they connect through words. Older men often bring a wealth of experience to the table. They've lived through more and seen more, so they have some pretty interesting stories to share. But it's not just about recounting tales from the past. It's about relating those experiences in a way that's relevant and interesting to someone younger. It's this ability to weave life lessons, humor, and insights into conversations that makes chatting with them so captivating. Every conversation is a mini journey. Good conversation is a two-way street. Older men often excel at being attentive listeners. They don't just wait for their turn to speak, they really listen and engage with what the other person is saying. This level of attentiveness shows that they value the other person's thoughts and opinions, making them feel respected and heard. It's a refreshing change from the typical surface-level exchanges. Whether it's discussing current events, books, travel, or personal philosophies, older men can discuss topics with a mix of wisdom and curiosity. They ask thoughtful questions, sparking discussions that are both stimulating and enlightening. It's this ability to challenge and engage the mind that many younger women find incredibly attractive. 3. Charismatic leadership. What's another thing that younger women find really hot about older men? Their charismatic leadership. This isn't about being the boss at work or flexing authority. It's about how they lead in life, with charisma and a sense of purpose. Older men with a sense of leadership have a presence that's hard to ignore. They walk into a room, and people take notice. Not because they're loud or demanding attention, but because they exude quiet confidence. It's this air of assurance and composure that's incredibly attractive. But here's the twist. Their leadership isn't about dominating others. It's about inspiring. These men lead by example, whether it's in their personal lives, their community, or in their relationships. They inspire those around them to improve, not through force or intimidation, but through encouragement and support. It's about empowering others, and that's a really attractive quality. And here's something equally important. These men are willing to step back and let others shine. They're secure enough in their leadership to recognize and celebrate the strengths and achievements of others, especially their partners. This sort of humility coupled with confidence is a rare blend many find irresistible. Loving the insights? Give us a thumbs up, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more content like this. Your support keeps us going. 4. Sense of humor. Younger women often find a great sense of humor incredibly attractive in older men. It's not about being a stand-up comedian or constantly cracking jokes. Instead, it's about a mature, witty, and well-timed sense of humor that brings lightness and joy to interactions. Let's explore what sets this apart. Firstly, older men tend to have a more refined sense of humor. They've seen a lot, experienced a lot, and usually have a lot of life stories to share. This experience often translates into a humor that's witty, smart, and can be subtly layered. It's humor that doesn't rely on putting others down or being the loudest in the room. Instead, it's about finding humor in everyday situations and sharing it in an inclusive and engaging way. They're saying, let's not take life too seriously all the time. But here's the thing. It's also about timing and appropriateness. Older men usually know when to crack a joke and when to be serious. They can read the room and gauge the situation. ensuring their humor adds to the moment rather than detracts from it. This sensitivity to context is key. It makes their humor more appealing and less likely to fall flat. Also, their humor often includes a healthy dose of self-deprecation. They're comfortable enough in their skin to laugh at themselves, which shows a refreshing level of humility and self-awareness. It shows they don't take themselves too seriously, and this lightheartedness is attractive. This kind of humor often creates a comfortable and fun environment. It encourages open, joyful interactions where laughter comes easily. And let's be honest, who doesn't love to laugh? It's a universal language that connects people. 5. Cultural savvy. A key aspect that younger women find hot about older men is their cultural savvy. This is about appreciating and understanding a wide range of cultural aspects rather than being a know-it-all. Let's break down why this is so appealing. Firstly, older men often have diverse experiences that have exposed them to various cultures, art forms, literature, and music. This exposure translates into conversations that are rich and enlightening. Imagine talking to someone who can share first-hand experiences of historical events, or who can discuss a classic novel or a jazz record with genuine understanding. This depth and breadth of knowledge add a fascinating layer to their personality. Then, there's the element of shared learning. Older men with cultural savvy often enjoy introducing these elements to others, especially younger women who may not have had similar exposure. It's about sharing something they love. This can open up a new world for their partners, filled with interesting movies, books, music, and art. It's an exciting exchange, a cultural give and take. Another attractive aspect is their ability to appreciate and discuss modern cultural trends. They're not stuck in the past. They stay updated and can engage in conversations about current happenings in the world of art, music, and more. This ability to bridge the gap between the past and the present in cultural discussions is incredibly attractive. It shows adaptability and a willingness to stay connected with the evolving world. Cultural savvy also indicates a level of sophistication and depth. It suggests that the person values learning, is curious about the world, and enjoys intellectual stimulation. These qualities can appeal to younger women looking for meaningful interactions beyond the usual small talk. 6. Gentlemanly manners. One of the traits of older men that younger women often find irresistibly attractive is the display of good, old-fashioned, gentlemanly manners. This goes beyond just opening doors or pulling out chairs. It's about a respectful and considerate way of treating others, which is a rare find. Let's explore why this is such a hot commodity. Gentlemanly manners are all about respect. It's the little things, like listening attentively when she speaks, showing up on time for dates, or being polite and courteous to everyone around, not just her. This kind of respect is a big deal. It shows that the man values her and those around him. It's a timeless quality that speaks volumes about his character. But here's the thing, it's not just about chivalry in the traditional sense. It's also about understanding modern values and respecting her independence. It's offering a coat when it's cold, but also respecting her decision if she chooses not to take it. It's about finding that balance between being protective and empowering. This modern twist on traditional manners shows that he's not just following old scripts. He's genuinely considerate and adaptable to contemporary norms. Gentlemanly manners also extend to how older men handle disagreements or conflicts. They do it with grace and maturity, prioritizing respectful communication over winning an argument. This kind of composure in potentially heated moments is incredibly appealing. It shows that he can handle difficult situations with poise and respect, which is a huge green flag in any relationship. And here's that bonus tip, the magic of staying young at heart. The secret sauce to all these points? It's staying young at heart. Older men who keep their curiosity and enthusiasm for life alive radiate a youthful energy that's incredibly attractive. They blend the wisdom of age with the spirit of youth, being open to new ideas, willing to learn, and maintaining a playful, optimistic outlook makes a huge difference. This combination of maturity and youthful zest is what truly captivates. So keep that spark alive, it's irresistible. Now that you know what younger women find attractive, what's next for you? Discover how to make her obsess over you, or learn about the signs you're an attractive older guy. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.